What's going on, everybody? Beautiful day out here in Michigan. Hot as fuck. It's about 91 degrees outside, but out here by in my hood. Just got done. Just picked up a smoothie, but today we're pretty much going over how I made 2,200 today trading gold. Beautiful, beautiful moves. Beautiful, beautiful setups. Just patient, wait for them to set up, and everything went beautifully. So thank God to the market gods for today. Secure some profits, caught about 140 pips on the second position. First position was about 50 pips. Should have held, you know, pretty much should have, could have, would all day, but glad to secure some pips. End of the day without a loss. That's all that matters, guys. About preserving capital, not going crazy, not being greedy, and following your strategy and your setups and your plan, and following it with good risk management. So I'm out here by my house, about to head to the charts real quick, hop on there, show you guys what we did, why we entered, and why we exited, and everything like that. And we're here, guys. Alright, guys, I'll show you the new crib real quick. Right by the water, too. Explain. Not my crib. Not yet, but eventually. Love this little area I live at now. Moved here about a year and a half, and right near the beach, boy. Here are the charts. Got the gold chart all set up. Pretty much gonna start off on the daily chart, show you what I'm looking at. This is right before market open, around 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Pretty much seen overall on the daily chart, pretty much heading down. Seeing this little downtrend, as you see overall. You can see right here, the daily candle is looking bullish, but we are here at this previous resistance, so could see some play right here, especially at the New York Open. And let me see. So let's head down to the 4-hour chart, see what we're looking at. Pretty much looking at this area right here. Pretty much respecting coming down, overall coming down. I was looking for sells pretty much at New York Open right around that time because we were respecting this overall range, or this overall resistance right around here. So you see right here, pretty much respected across the board. Respected here, there, all in this area. Pretty much showing the rejections were happening, and I was expecting some play to happen. And is a key major area as well, pretty much my golden zone area, which was this area right here, which is also a major zone, which is also a 0.618 golden fib zone, which I like to trade off of. Pretty much see with your eyes, but show you guys real quick how to find it real quick. I'm gonna head down to the lower time frames right here. I'm gonna find the candle where the price drove from. Grab my fib retracement tool right here. Grab it from the highs to the lows. And pretty much seeing our area marked off of right here. So pretty much anywhere in this area, I was looking for sells. It's not going to lower time frames, pretty much marking off the ranges, making it a bit more cleaner. Have our area marked off right there. And have this as well. So taking our local 0.618 range, golden zone, take it from the candle that drove over here, down to the lows over here. You can see this area right here at 23.25. Pretty much showing that this support resistance flip key area that we're at currently, which is also a golden fib zone. Pretty much respected across the board. You guys want to look at it like this. Tapped right there, right there, perfectly, right there. Just respected across the board, 100%. So I'm a little marked up. Pretty much seen this happen at New York Open because this candle was a news candle pushing it up. And once I seen this as well over here, just to add a little trend line in there, just to add some confirmations for myself, add some confluences. Pretty much seen this happening right here. It's got this major area of confluence right here, which this box I'm looking to trade off of. Pretty much as price was right now coming up, I expected it to end up breaking the lows and end up flip bearish, just like that. So I was in right here, right around 23.21. Stops above this candle high. But pretty much to keep it like that, end up entering the trade from there, seeing this rejection, and I end up running pretty quick, which is pretty amazing to see. And actually, I took 2 trades on this actual setup. So, on the first one, right here, entered at 23.21. Because if you see this right here, this looks like a small little range, as you can see. Small little dinky range? No. This is a huge range. This range right here, this is the 15-minute chart as well, is about 225 pips, guys. So this range is huge. Gold's been moving this entire year, and this is showing you this is not just small little moves. So let me show you what happened exactly. So pretty much the news came out, pretty much entered the rejection, see my confluence area, seeing that price had to reject, had action play around this area. Even if it was for 10, 20, 30 pips, so be it. I'll be happy with that if anything. But just see my area confluence and see my trade setup, this is pretty much what I like to see day in day. So first entry around 23.21, entered around here. And once this trade ran about 40 pips and I was putting stop loss to break even, so stop loss to break even here, secured pretty much 75% of my position, and pretty much the price came all the way back up, stops to break even again. But I've seen this happening, okay? Price came up, came down, we're coming to retap that high again. If you look at this, this is another 0.618 level as well. And one of my key setups, my strategy, which is pretty much a freebie of my course, which is not out yet, but stay tuned. But pretty much we take this tool right here, from the highs to the lows, we got this level right here, which is the 0.618 level. If price didn't close doji right here and reverse off that 0.618 Fibonacci level, just like this entire setup would be invalid because that price got disrespected. Price closed above, disrespected the entire trend line. It is now showing bullish pressure, especially with the news pressure, and gonna be probably going up a couple hundred pips, you know. But rejected that 0.618 level, came down, ended up retesting it, grabbing more liquidity, which I love to see because I found doing my trading setups and pretty much working on my strategy for a long time. The first entry, you get stopped to break even a lot. Many times, first entry always gets stopped out to break even. So we like to see here some partials just in case this is not the initial push because we did have a liquidity grab here. This is not really much of a breakout. My damn phone keeps dying every time I'm recording. Sorry about that, guys, but dropping that heat too. We're pretty much showing this as market structure. Right here, price just came up, came down right here, came down or came up again, grabbed liquidity from the highs, and this is what I call a double dip setup. So pretty much looking at like this, got our rejection point, got our confluence point, got our area. We're looking for sells when we know they're gonna happen. Okay, seen this happen, we're like, oh fuck, goddamn, missed the trade, you know, missed the damn trade. Fuck it, broke the lows here, broke the lows here. Enter right here, I'm screwed, obviously, but enter right here, it'd be too late, you know. All those emotions kicking in, all that, but no. I see this, I'm like, I'm entering this baby, this is my double dip setup. Pretty much seeing this area, respected again, golden fib zone once again respected. Once we tapped, and actually 3 times we tapped on this boy. Once, twice, 3 times. Once I say 3 times, it's pretty much good to go. As you've seen the price action right there, respected fully. But once we've seen that, entered again, sells. So first entry, end up hitting break even around 45 pips. Peaked at, close 75% of my position. Rest of it hit break even. Then entered the other position over here, around 23.21 or 23.22.3. So 23.22.3. And this baby literally just pushed on down from the first entry. Glad I wasn't scared on this. Glad this is my double dip setup. Pretty much seeing the confluences there. Pretty much seeing every confluence I could perfectly. Pretty much seeing my setup as you guys can see over and over again. You see on the channel. Just break and retest over here. Retesting the trend line. 0.6 in the area retracement. Pretty much coming back down. Beautiful ass trade. But end up coming right here. Obviously securing partials on the way down. But this baby ended up hitting over 130 pips, guys. Just look at this, okay? This entire trade actually was about 160 from here but I know it ran down a little bit further. Yeah, ended up breaking the lows later on. Yeah, I was out of the trade over here around 125 pips, but this boy ran over 200 pips. It's kind of, it's kind of salty. Secured a little bit soon, but can't complain at all about securing profits, guys, especially over 130 pips. It was a beautiful day. I'm securing about 2,100 for the day, which thank God is a beautiful day. Cannot complain about that at all. The key to trading, guys, is not losing money. It's a crazy journey, which every trader knows. Anybody that tells you that it's easy is literally full of shit and full of bullshit. Do not follow them at all, because this is a difficult road. I've lost my mind sometimes when I figure these charts out in this price action, but it really pays off once you just chill out, look at things more simple. Just see the confluence area, a little break and retest, a little golden fib zone, just pull that out, see rejection, enter the trade. There you go. Hit stops. If hits take profits, it hits take profits, but just rinse and repeat. Keep on your setup. Keep going with what you like, what you feels best for you, and pretty much what works best as well. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's pretty much all for this trade. Back 2,100 on the forex market. I cannot complain at all, guys. Using the golden fib strategy, which I'm now calling the golden strategy, guys. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, stick subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.